Oh, hey, I'm glad you stopped by. I want to tell you all about the deals that we have going on at Northstar Kia right now. For instance, one second. Northstar Kia. Yep, our address is 6107 Northern Boulevard. See you soon. Okay, like I was saying, one second, sorry. Northstar Kia. Yep, our website is northstarkiany.com. You're welcome. Okay, where was I? One second. As you can see, I'm a little busy right now. You can just take a look for yourself.
Come down to Northstar Kia, where the deals are insane. Lease your dream car for low monthly payments. 0 to low APR financing on all makes and models. And you'll receive top value on your trade-in. And everyone gets approved. Bad credit? No credit? No problem. Northstar Kia. If you need a car, come to Northstar.